Welcome to our channel. Today,
To begin, log in to your Hetzner Cloud Console.
navigate to the Projects section in the left-hand menu. Select the project that contains the VPS you wish to uninstall. Once in the project, find the Servers tab. Locate the VPS server you want to delete from the list. Click on the server to view its details. In the Server Details menu, look for the More button. Click on More and then select Destroy.
A confirmation dialog will appear, prompting you to confirm the deletion.
Review the warning information provided. If you are certain, type in the name of the server to confirm. Then, click on Destroy to permanently uninstall the VPS.
Next, return to the main project view to uninstall any associated volumes. Go to the Volumes tab in the same project menu.
Identify the volume you wish to delete. Click on the volume to access its details. Similar to the server, click on the More button. Select Destroy from the drop-down menu. Confirm the deletion by typing in the volume name. Finally, click on Destroy to remove the volume completely. Your VPS server and its associated volumes are now uninstalled successfully.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.